I haven't done a updated video for a while on the Biscayne, so I thought I'd get one done. Some of the things that have changed since last time I had video was the marker lights, or the corner marker lights, have been replaced with the more correct trim pieces on the front of the car. As we walk around to the side, you will see that the stance is higher in the back, as I have replaced the springs, the rear springs, with Moog stock type replacement. I've trimmed the tailpipes in a little bit like they should be. Across the back, you'll see notice my personal license plate. And I don't know how well this will show up, but up underneath the car, you will see that it has the F41 rear sway bar, which is actually a remove from another car, so it is not an aftermarket, it is an actual factory piece. Looking into the interior of the car, you will see that there are shoulder belts and rear seat belts. And now in the engine compartment, this is the first video I've done that has the L72 in it. Some of the things that have changed, you will see that it has the alternator over on the passenger side, as it should for 68. It has black wires in there. Has deep groove pulleys, and I don't remember if the last video showed all of the later year wire loom is gone, and it is wrapped with proper wire wrap tape.